Now this Nimble 65 by Sub250 is the first whoop I've had. I've only ever flown DJI drones before, especially the Neo and the AVATA 2. So I've gone from a digital system to an analog system. And the reason I'd done that was I was intrigued by these tiny little drones and how much power they have for their weight. I bought the ready to fly kit, so it comes with these goggles and it comes with this controller, and I'm aware these are like budget versions, but I didn't want to spend too much. So the full kit cost about 370 Australian dollars. A lot of people might think it's crazy to go from a digital system to an analog system, but apart from the picture quality being absolutely terrible, the fun factor is through the roof. Now I am having a couple of issues with it, and it'll be great if you've got any advice, if you already fly whoops or know anything about these, because the picture quality has gone from terrible to absolutely trash, and I literally can't even read display, so I can't see the voltage and stuff like that. So let's fire it up and I'll show you what I'm seeing. So if I turn the power on, the cool thing with these goggles is they do come with a memory card slot. Some of the ready to fly kits didn't. So let's press record so you can see what I can see. Okay, so this is what I can see at the moment. See the issue, I can't read the text on the screen. So I need to go in and change that in some way. This has got an auto function on it, so if I press this, it will search, but it just comes back to that. I have changed the band, but it doesn't seem to help. But let's arm it and fly, and I'll show you what I mean by the fun factor. Look at this speed, the power. Look, power loop, no problems. Compared to the heaviness of the Neo and the AVATA, I mean the AVATA's got more power, but this must be more like the 5-inch type feeling, I'm guessing, compared to something like the Neo. It's just so much fun. So even though the picture quality is terrible, this is insane and so much fun and so quiet as well. Like I'll fly this in places that I wouldn't normally fly the Neo or the AVATA. People aren't worried about it. That's why people do the gorilla whooping and stuff. It's so cool. Like it's probably terrible to watch, but in terms of fun flying, it's insane. So if I can sort this out and make the picture quality back to what it was before, whoa, whoops. I mean, that could be the reason that the picture quality is terrible, because I keep crashing it like that. The fun factor. So if you guys got any ideas what to do, I have put it into beta flight on the computer, which I've never used before. I had a little play with that. I tried changing the band, but that didn't seem to help. Interestingly, the band that it was originally set on does not work anymore. So I don't know if that means anything. Okay, we've got low battery. See, I can't see the voltage on the battery now. I think that says 3.3. So I've not been letting it go to like 3.2. I did think about going for the digital, the DJI 04, but I don't think that would be so much fun because there's a lot heavier. That's my initial understanding. So at the end of that one, the picture quality got so bad I couldn't hardly see. So I'm doing something wrong. Maybe it's just the cheaper controller and the goggles. My understanding is the Nimble 65 is pretty high quality, and that's good, but I also haven't got a clue on what I'm doing. So any advice would be appreciated. Speak to you guys in the next one.